What's going on, YouTube? Checking back in with the Chevy SS project. Blitzing this project today. I've got a lot of stuff I want to get done, so I'm going ahead and torquing down my water pump. I'm going to go ahead and try to get my pulleys all situated and get my motor mounts and all that stuff on. Alright, so I got my pulleys all pretty much situated. I got my AC bracket and my AC compressor on, my motor mounts are torqued down. I've been spending a little time just going around, double checking all my torque specs. Went around my oil pan and everything already, so she's pretty much ready to go back into the car. I wanted to make sure that I got everything already pre-assembled. And the oil pan I bought came with a block off plate, so I need to get a matching block off for this. So I'm gonna go online and order that tonight, see if I can overnight it. I'm trying to get everything in order so this can go ahead and go into the car. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more on the Chevy SS. I'm already looking for a good dyno to take this to.